Hi, this is Professor Rosen. I'm making a short video on how to use Scanner so that this hopefully clarifies some questions you might have for your homework. All right, so to create a scanner object, which is what we need to do with the scanning, we type in scanner and then we need to declare that we're creating a scanner variable and we give it a name. I used KB for keyboard. Now the first thing that happens is that we need to import it. So that your IDE should automatically tell you where it is, but if it doesn't fix it for you, you use this line up here, import java.util.scanner. Okay, next. This is the second line for creating a second bit for creating a scanner variable, which is saying we want scanner to be we're creating a new scanner variable, system.in. We only need one scanner for any particular program. You don't need to create multiple scanners. Okay, so the first thing we did was we learned how we could read new items. So we could read a string by just typing in kb.nextLine. Right, we could do some out.println. Please enter some words. And then we could enter system.out.println. You put in all right, and if we run this now, what happens? We get, please enter some words. Hello, I am making a video. You put in, hello, I am making a video. Right, but for your assignment, you don't really use strings. Instead, you're going to be using numbers. So you can read things other than strings. So let's go ahead and look at this example instead. Please enter some an integer. So if we want to read an integer instead, we can go int is equal to kb dot next int to grab an integer out dot println you entered my int. And you can put in a number and it'll store it in an integer. Here, 15, you entered 15. And if you put in any words, any letters at all, you'll get a input mismatches exception, which just simply means that it's looking for an integer and you're not getting it. So you can also do this with doubles. And there you go. So it's fairly straightforward on how to use Scanner. And if you need to read more than one variable, just all you need is, you don't need a second scanner. All you need is another variable. And I can also just enter an integer and that would be converted to a double. All right, so that should pretty much settle that. All right, I'll go ahead and upload this video.